Bad boys push. Alright, we'll wait on GJ. Come back down to us. Alright, GN. A range. Oh, look at that. Here we go. Broke the A range though. What I was waiting for. Picked her up. Let's see if they break up here. GN's pretty volatile lately. I'm pretty volatile lately. Alright, GPUSD. Yeah, it's gonna be a reversal day, so y'all definitely keep up. Keep with y'all rules. Y'all exits, cause them boy about to fly down, fly back up. News is coming. About to do all types of stuff now. Alright, might catch GN. USD CAD, USD CHF. Let's see what GN. Might catch GN. Just consolidating a little bit. It didn't quite push all the way yet. It didn't quite push all the way. I don't believe that's a low. They might push some more. A lot of money down here. A lot of money down here. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We're gonna see what it does. It might come up and consolidate. But they trapping though. They trapping. Go trying to push up, boy. Trying to. Ain't give us nothing yet. What y'all in? Anything? Anybody anything? What y'all in? EG. Might be a night one. See what they do. See what they do on EG. Alright, 1 minute, guys. EG, we're gonna take EG for about 15 minutes for a little scalp. 15 minutes. Wait for this calendar to close. They gotta close over. If it doesn't, we won't get in. See what they do. There we go. All right, come on, close over. I think Euro has some news too today. Yeah, Euro had news. Not too much. Oh yeah, they did. They had employment. That employment issues. They had good news though. Except for one. Other than that, it wasn't terrible. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna buy EG. Sorry, EG. Euro GBP. $15-minute trade. 3 candles on this thing. It's gonna be pretty short. 15 minutes or less. All right, let's check it out. Target that up here. Yeah, these spreads are rough. Alright, 15 minutes or less. Well, 3 candles or less, so 15 minutes. Alright, stop loss. See what they do for us. We got 3 candle rule. Gold stopped me out. I think it's kind of crazy, you know, how gold goes from 1879 to 1844 and back to 1860. It's crazy, right? That's insane. That is insane. Dropped 1878 to 1844, coming back to 1860. That's just pretty wild. That's an insane pair. I said I didn't put a crazy amount on anyway, so I ain't even sweating it. Risk management, baby, risk management. Not worried about it. But yeah, that's just crazy with how it just takes off like that. Tippy top of the bowl. See these pairs move today, you know? Nobody want to move lately. They want to move to a New York session. They be killing me with that. I'm like, dude, nobody wants to trade New York session. Don't nobody want to be up in there. All right, 10 more minutes. We'll hold on to it. We'll see if we got anything else. See what they're doing up here. Rejecting. Rejecting. Stop loss is 8 pips. A lot of rejection, We got 10 minutes on it. GN. The rest of the reward looks like. This pair's going to pull today. Pull. So 20. pull up. See, this is worth it. See, this is worth it. Let's see. This 20 is up here. Good move though. Good move coming out the A range. All right, guys, I'm taking GN 8 candle rule. All right, make sure you're risking 2% of your account at max. 2% max. GP NZD. All right, guys, go ahead and exit EG. Go ahead and exit EG. Exit that. They're gonna pull up. They're gonna pull. We'll grab them back. We'll grab them back. Like 6 pips. Nah, I'm not messing with no Euro pairs today. I'm sticking to my plan. I don't even know why I even trade Euro. I don't even know why we mess with Euro GP. I don't even trade Euro pairs. I'm thinking it's trash. I'm not messing with Euro pairs. If it ain't EJ or Ian, I ain't mess with it. Let me stick to it. EG's trash. I don't even know why I even touched it. It looked good though. It looked good. I gotta give it for it. But I ain't mess with Euro. IGN 03 TP. It's gonna be a lot of pulling back today, guys. A lot of pulls. A lot of spreads are gonna open up. They're gonna go crazy. So they're just gonna do a lot of pulling back. Just have to use proper risk and just use your exits. But yeah, they're gonna do a lot of pulling back today. They did some pushing. We got news. They're gonna do a whole bunch of stuff. Try to get our money now. At least before 10 a.m. we should hit up here. That'd be 15, 20, 70 all the way up here. So it's gonna be a minute. It's gonna be a minute. Lately, they've been consolidating a lot though. These last couple of days, they take off and then they consolidate. They just been consolidating. They've been doing all this right here. They come off, they take off, they consolidate. They take off, consolidate, and they'll drop again, and they consolidate. It's just a lot of mess. Market's been a lot of mess lately. Maybe Gina give it back to us, right? Give us that nice 70 pip move we want. Gene actually like was the most volatile forex pair though. Most volatile one. Moves really different though. Moves real different. See all those spikes? They definitely like to spike you. And when they take off, they take off. Yours should look alright. I would have to hold this long term though. I have to do this long term. More than a day. It's too slow for me. Too slow. Euro NZD missed our first buy limit by 8 pips, so I put out again. Missed it by 8 pips. Sad to say, but it did. And it took off in the direction, took off too. Wow, got a nice OG. That looks good. NZD CAD OG. Let's see what it do. 12-hour trade. Alright guys, NZD CAD, you want to take it? That's 12-hour trade, so that means by the close of the Forex day, you got to be in profit. Alright, here's the stop loss. 3 candle rule. Got to be down here. Alright, NZD CAD. That's pretty chill. It's gonna be a little while. It's gonna be a while. We should be down here by the end of the Forex day. You need to be down here. Yo, Chef Foreman for you, Terrence. There you go. It's Foreman for you. Might take your shot. NZD CAD, I think.
Looks like you lost another one.
Yeah, we should be good. We should get a good chunk on this. These pullbacks are killing me today. They're gonna be the reason I leave the market early. I ain't trying to deal with the pullbacks today. So some days you just get tired of being sick and tired, right? It's not chill, don't deal with no pullbacks today. Just one of them days, just like, you know what? I don't want to deal with it today. Dang, GU, yeesh. Can't even get a good analysis on you. You got so many rejection areas. Nothing yet, guys. Nothing yet. Just GN got a little pullback, and then we got NZD CAD. Only ones I see so far is pretty good this morning. But look, they're getting better though. The telemarks is coming around. They're getting a lot better. They're actually giving us some direction, so that's a plus. At least they're breaking out of this consolidation crap. They're coming out of this consolidation, which is fine. Which is good. Leaving that December trash, giving us some direction, so that's a plus. Nothing yet though. Nothing yet though. Could be one of them days you gotta sit your hands. Sometimes Wednesday won't give it to you, but Thursday will, right? Every day's not a trade day. CAD J. Well, some of these pairs are gonna reverse, so definitely watch out for the New York reversals when you catch those peak formation highs or lows. Watch out for those. They're definitely gonna drop. When those second legs don't get taken out. So when those first legs don't get taken out, the New York session, you know where it's going. So definitely watch those peak formations for the day because they're gonna drop heavy. These pullbacks are legit. They're talking like 60, 70 pips, 60 to 70 pips, at least on GJ. At least look, that's a 60 pip move. And it's not even done trying to push. They'll probably push up some more to trap some traders, make some more money, and then they'll drop. They'll push during New York session. They'll probably push like all the way up here, probably close to 58. Yeah, they'll push up again. Cause I was waiting for our entry down here, wait for them to push down here to put us in the trade, but they took off. I didn't want to put a buy stop. And they just hit us up here, and then all of a sudden drop. So I was gonna wait for it. I was trying to see they're gonna do something like this while we were sleeping. Come in this A range here, and then drop, and then come up with us. But instead they just took off. Better be safe than sorry though, especially on that pair. Yeah, nothing yet. GN is trashing us right now, pulling back disgustingly. Good thing our stop loss ain't all the way out there. Man, these pullbacks are real. They're gonna pull back. What's that? 35 pip stop loss, 70 pip gain. We got 25 pips to the low. 25 pips to our low. So as long as they don't take out our low, we're good. They take it out, we out of there. That's how you gotta be though. Live trade another day. That's why you don't over leverage. GA. Zara looks pretty good. Not terrible. It's close to the Aqua, OG, Foreman. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it.
It looks like you lost another one.
A lot of rejection right here, though. A lot of rejection. We got some divergence too. I like all that. TDI versus where price is at. I like all that. Pass on that thing. With these pullbacks happening, I'm gonna pass on that. Check out Mexican peso. They're gonna definitely make us pay to wait. Definitely making us pay. We definitely paid to wait today. Jeez. Same thing with Poland. Trapping for the session. Trapping for the session. They're all trapping for the session. Yep. Nothing yet though. Yeah, you're right. You're right, Terrence. Homework. You ain't got it. You just do homework. You just chill. You just chilling. You sit in your hands and you just watch. That's how it be sometimes. That's how you gotta do it sometimes. That's the way it is. I've been there 3 days in a row. I was like, well, I really can't do nothing today. They're not giving me anything. Especially when it's real about when it's like today's FOMC. So today Wednesday. So at 2 p.m. FOMC, they're gonna hit with those news. It's gonna be pretty volatile today. China got inflation tonight, so JPY is gonna go crazy. So A range, you might have to hold off on A range because they might take us for a loop. Might be able to play it and might be able to play it actual live like this on A range. They're gonna be coming out at 8 p.m. But other than that, yeah, we got FOMC today, so we just gotta be careful. TJ create that high, so we can get them to come up here and do another one. They're gonna trap for New York session, so they're gonna push up one more time. They're gonna consolidate right here. They're gonna hang out right here, and as soon as that 9 o'clock hit, they're gonna push, trap them up, and then drop. They always do that every single day. They did it yesterday. They did it yesterday too. But this time they're gonna drop further though, because it's gonna be reversal. They're gonna drop all the way down. We just gotta watch out for it. Sometimes we just gotta be ready. But they're not throwing us nothing though. Giving us 0. GN, you got 2 hours to be in profit, so you got 8 candle roll on that. NZD CAD, you got 12 hours to be in profit, so you got the whole day. It's gonna be a slow pair. Then DC's, I'll check them out. But I don't see anything. I don't see anything appetizer right now. US 30, okay. Not bad. US 30. I hate allergies, killing me. That was a move up here. See, stop loss is way up here. That means it's about to drop because gold is rising. Level all the way down, all the way to level 2. You can wait for it to tap you back in. That'll be a better entry here. This counts. This is a lot. This movement to here is a lot. It's a lot of money actually, whether you believe it or not. Like some people play pretty good lot sizes, but from here to here, it's a pretty good movement. On a lot size that I would play, that small movement, I'm in a good day so far, you know. So let's let it come back to us. This is actually not bad setup. US 30. The fact that gold is taking off, this thing's gonna drop. And if it does hit it, we know where it's going. This thing, it's got a lot of money up here though, but not as much money's down here. Everybody's trying to buy. We're going to trade with the market makers. So let's do this. Let it come to us, US 30. Don't go crazy on it. But let it pull back to you. 50 points. It's going to hit this and pull back up. So by the time that crowd's over, all right, we're going to do that. Yeah, sell limit. We're going to let it come back to us.
Looks like you lost another one.
All right, US 30. Don't go risking your arm and leg on it. You know what to risk on it. Y'all play it. But I will let it come back to me on this one. Just because it's already past the entry where I want to be at. Right on the money. So I got to wait for it. It might just take off and drip. But if it just takes off and drip, obviously delete it. If it just breaks this and just take off, yeah, just delete it. But let it bounce. See if it bounces off and come back to us. I'm gonna wait for it though. It's gonna come back to the entry though, so that's just what it does. It's what it does. But if it take off, you know what to do. Delete that bad boy. If it get away from your, if any pending get away from your entry like that, just let it go. But this is a nice. You know, I didn't want to get all in the middle of this candle, cause I don't know where we are in the 1 hour. Yeah, see. Yeah, it'll come back to you. You can leave it there. It'll come back. It's gotta pull back. Cause it's gonna have to connect. Yeah, you guys can leave it there. It's gotta connect, so you can leave it there. It's gonna give some motions to people. It's gonna take some contracts today. It's gonna take some accounts today, man. You just gotta be careful. See, make sure you're not in the middle of a candle. Like so, we're actually pretty good. So we can get this top of this. Be nice. And it's at the top of this wick. So that's a nice fall. But it's gonna come back up, hit this entry. It'll come back up, hit the entry. Kind of make a doji there probably. Just gotta be patient on it. If you got in now, hey, you know you good to go if you got in now. But I'm risky, but not when it comes to US 30. I don't play no games. Not when it comes to US 30. All right, we look good on what's that? GN looking good. NZD CAD looks good. NZD CAD looking pretty good. So looking good. I made my money back on EG. I know that much. So I broke even on EG. So I'm back in there. Even though I got smacked on gold. Ain't gonna lie, y'all. When y'all start on stop loss, yeah, good deal. Need one of those on this. Need one of those on this. That's for sure. 35, 188. Y'all check it out. I got you. Check it out. Check it out. Let me fix this.
Looks like you lost another one.
All right, GN looking good. Go or US 30. Let that be. It's gonna come back to it. Let them take these contracts and pull back and hit us and hit us. It might happen on this session. It might happen on this session. All right, so make sure you guys definitely definitely make sure you break even on EG. So anytime you lose a trade and you know you're in profit, make sure you break even on your trade. All right, because you're gonna know you're gonna make more 5 or 6 more trades later. So don't lose your money. Just break even on your trade. All right, take some money off the top. Let the rest of it run. But make sure you break even on your trades. That's how you maximize. That's how you minimize the losses. So for example, I got smacked on EG, so I made my money back. Took the money that I lost, I broke even, and I'm just letting GN ride. Let it take its toll. 8 candle rule. So that's how you minimize the losses. So we're looking good here. You get the TP1, be nice. 20 pips, be nice. When we break this, we're good to go. Let's see what 1 hour gives us. I gotta show you guys 2 more sauce candles. I'll show you guys when you guys start doing the homework off the vectors. When I get when I get 1,000 vectors in the homework, I'll show you the next 2 new sauce candles. Them bad boys powerful. There is 6, now there's 8. After 500 charts of back testing, oh yeah. Oh yeah. These things are nice. What time do you take it? What time do you take ADCHF? $9 p.m. a.m. 9. Let's see. Last night, a.m. $9 a.m. Yesterday, Valentine's Day. There is no BTS at 9 a.m. You took this? Oh, I was about to say, there's no PM. So last night, the 14th, so last night. So let's see where you went. Let's see what you're talking about. There is no BTS. What you mean? You got sauce. This was your trade setup right here. Yeah, the 15th at 9. Let me see. We see what you're talking about. I'm gonna help you out here. We're gonna see what's up. We letting G enter for a minute. But we wait for this. They're finally moving around, so we let these things pull and push for a minute. We got some time, so let's let them open up. They finally opening it up. About time, right? All right, you said 9 p.m. Okay, here we go. It was on a 4 hour. All right, let's see. So it's not a BTS on a 4 hour. It's not a It's a BTS on a higher time frame. It's a BTS on an 8 or the daily. It's a BTS on the 8 hour. So you took a higher time frame BTS. What you gotta be careful of, you gotta make sure you're taking that time frame BTS. The 15th at. So you took this right here. That's what you took right here. You took this. Alright, so you took this super, alright, but you took it on a high. This is a higher time frame BTS, which is good. I mean, not wrong for it. It's going to a higher time frame. It's going to the 8 hour. So it's going to it. It's not enough room. Enough room for the 4 hour, but it's not enough room for the 8 hour. So you trade like this. TP to the white, stop loss, spread times 2. I mean, you're on profit. You good to go. 1, 2, 3. You're in profit. Stay in the trade. Good move. Just a higher time frame BTS. That's good. You're scaling it. Just make sure you're anytime you're in between the EMAs, you're good. I mean, it's a counter trend. So anytime you're targeting the EMAs, you're counter trend. So you're good to go. So just be watching it. So you're gonna have to you're gonna have to put that 8 hour up here, because that's where the BTS is completed, which is already completed. So you're done. You should be risk free. So you should be done because already completed. Hit the white line. BTS is risk free. Come to a day and a half. Day and a half through you 1, 2. Through your MES on there. So you're rolling, which means that if it breaks up here, daily, the daily has a BTS. So did you watch that daily BTS? The daily has the actual BTS on it. So you're good to go. Take it to the daily. The daily is gonna complete. It's gonna complete. They're gonna complete that daily. They always complete the daily. So yeah, you're good. Good move. Good move. Homework pays, huh? That's a good move. Very impressed, Jamaica. Very impressed. I like it. I'm practicing when I come visit you, man. I gotta blend in. Neon out there in Jamaica, he chilling. But yeah, whoever that is, that's a good move. So yeah, definitely a good move. iPhone. Good move. That might be a signature trade. If you can see that, that might be your play. Some people actually just understand the counter trend, and that's okay. I mean, you got 3 signature trades. Know all of them, but master one. Some people just play the counter trend. That's all they can understand. Hey, if it makes you profit, I'm happy with it. what I'm saying? Counter trend just risky. But other than that, some people just understand playing against the trend and then they just kill it. Y'all see Eric all day posting against the trend. That's all he plays. Because he understand it. And that's cool. Alright, EG wanted to come back to our entry. Load of crap. Alright, GJ, where you at, GJ? Alright, GJ's gonna create that watch out for GJ trade today, guys. GJ's gonna create a good reversal pattern. It's gonna reverse today. This thing's gonna let them trap New York. So if you see some, so what I would do is I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna play GJ all day today. I'm gonna play it. So if it could drop back down to this arc, would be nice, but probably won't. So keep playing with the trend until they tell you don't play anymore. Keep playing with the trend until it tells you don't play anymore. So right now, they're gonna consolidate. Look at the volatility bands here. They're consolidating right now. They're waiting for it. They're not throwing you no sauce. They're just gonna consolidate and create this M first leg, and then come back up here and create that second leg during New York. So they could potentially push. They can give you a nice shift up, which we don't want them to shift in between. They could just throw you some sauce or something, but they're gonna come back up here, and this is an additional 30 pips. So they got a second push for New York. So that second push is 30 or 40 pips. And they could take this high out though. Long as that they could take this high out. If the body closes above it, it's gonna go. If it just wicks above it, it's gonna solidify the entry. So if the body does this, if the body of the candle closes above this, it's gonna take off. But if the wick goes above it, just know they trapped the traders, and that M is still gonna be solidified, and it's gonna still drop. So as long as that body don't close above that price, we should be alright. But if it does, if the wick hits it, it's gonna seal those traders up there even more. We don't want them to take out that first leg, but they are gonna be trapping. GN gave us a good 15 pips. I took some off the top for a minute, but I'm still staying in. You gotta make sure you take your money where you get it, right? You guys, I still stay in the trade. So here they come now. They're gonna come up here. Here they come. As long as they don't cross in between here, we are good. We don't want them to cross. We want them to flow. We don't want any shifts in between this pattern. We want no shifts in between that pattern. So they want to throw a super, let them throw a super. With no shifts. We want all that nice, clean looking patterns. So when they do that, and they don't break this, man, I'm telling you, it's lights out. It's going to be lights out. You could be in this trade until tomorrow. You really will be in this trade till tomorrow. Yeah. Be in this trade till tomorrow. All right, so watch out for that. Watch out. I'll get y'all sauce on that. So make sure you're watching for that. We're not gonna watch it on this because it's gonna take a while. So we're gonna have to wait till New York session. But I'm gonna be watching it though. So if I see it, I'll call it out. I definitely will call it out.
Looks like you lost another one.
All right, they throw us anything? They give us anything? Because it's been a minute. Let's see. Nope. Nothing good. Nothing good. Nothing good. GU. Throwing some sauce. Euro USD. Throwing some sauce. NAS 100. Nothing good. All right, France 40. We'll set up France 42. France 40 looks good. Probably gonna take this one here. I like this out of volatility bands. Boom. Looks good. Looks good. France 40 looking good. Nice tight stop. Same thing with France. Same thing with France. Let it come back to us. It's gonna move with 30, but let it come back to us. Actually, we can do a market. Let's see, hold on. Yeah, let it come back to us. We ain't gonna rush this thing. We want this to come back to us. So France 40. Y'all don't need much on these indices, so you don't need much on them. If you got a purple trader, broker, you're gonna need a little bit. You're gonna have to check your lot size. 69. All right, France 40. Let that come back to us. Oh, you in St. James? You big chilling now. St. James. All right. Now we know. Now we know where to go. We know where the good food's at. Neon still didn't send me that recipe for them patties. My patties, they're not tasting right, man. They're not tasting right. I'm missing something. I'm missing something. I'm missing something. I don't know what it is, but I'm missing it. It's gotta be some type of spice. I even went to the store. Hold on. I got you. On France 40. Good question. Let me see. Let's see. I could drop him. Let's see. You can drop it. I'll have to see. I'm not sure yet. I actually don't know. I actually don't know how much on Purple Trader. I actually don't know. I know the other ones like Dow Jones and stuff like that, but I don't know on Purple Trader. It's gotta be close to the Dow Jones one. So I think like the max is like 2 standards because of the way it weighs. Because the way I think it's like dollar for dollar or something like that. Sound like real weird. GN looking good, guys. We almost up there. We're gonna catch 2 more trades though. I'm just waiting for them to set up. We'll catch 2 more before we hop off. Let me see. Let me find it for you, Eric. I know I put it in his Discord. Oh, there we go. I would follow the Dow. you go. I pinned it in Discord too on Final Trader Program. I pinned it so you can take the pins. But I would follow Dow at max. So those are the max lots. So, and those are the max lots that will pay you. So, I would follow Dow because it does follow Dow. So, 2 lots max. So I would start out with a 0.5. See what they give you. And if it's too high, you'll see if it's too high or not. You'll know when you open the trade. And all you gotta do is if it's too high, just take 50% off of it. Just close it out 50% of it, and then you'll know. So that's all it is. But I don't think it's gonna be too high though, because 2 lots on Dow and Purple Trader, that's definitely dollar for dollar. But yeah, those are the lot sizes though. But I would follow Dow, but start with 0.5 and see where it takes you for that one, because it might weigh a little different. But it can't be higher than Dow. I know that for a fact, because the Dow Jones is definitely the most volatile. All right, GN, that's what I'm talking about. Come back to life. NCD Cat busting. Now we coming back to life. Now London loves us. All right, let's find 2 more good trades, and then we're gonna chill. We're gonna let US 30 and France 40 try to take us into the final, because I think that's what's gonna happen when these bad boys hit. Drip City. Drip City. Yeah, buddy. Make sure I put this in for him over here. All right, guys. I got about 3 pit. Make sure. So let's see where we at on GN. We are at almost at our first TP. I'm gonna come back to this in a minute. Make sure we good to go. Now we was paid to wait. Oh, there we go. TP1 about to be hit. Don't be greedy. If you got 2 positions, take one. Put the other one in risk free. This thing is about to go. It's about to go. Oh, look at that vector. Vector to the low. Even marked it up. Look at that. Vector to the low. So guys, remember, vectors, the best vectors happen towards the EMA. The best ones happen towards the EMA. Well, where are we? We're towards the EMA, right? So they vector towards the EMA. Gave us a V bottom, which means that what? They can go ahead and give us what we want and then range out, right? But we're already in profit, so we're good. They gave us 1 leg. Shift, 8 candle rule towards TP. Too easy. Textbook. Like homework. It's like homework, right? That's homework. That's literally what you mark on your homework, right? Bam. Vector to the low. 1 leg. Didn't give you the second leg. You waited for it. Got in. Bam. Too easy. It's like homework. That's all it is. Like riding the bike afterwards. So now we got TP1. Once you get TP1, make it risk free. I'm gonna make it risk free because I'm good. Making it risk free. That means put your stop loss 3 to 5 pips above. So your new stop loss, if you want to make it risk free, knocks you out in profit. Who cares? You made money, right? Still make money regardless. New stop loss is 2.03. 977. And you never have a look at it again, because you already know you made some money, you took some money, and you let it go. Put your next TP up there and let it ride. Never see it again. Now that's risk-free trading. You don't get no gray hairs, you don't get no heart attacks, you don't gotta go to the ER, you don't need a respirator, you don't need oxygen, you don't need none of that. You don't need the AED. You don't need none of it. You forget all about it. See? Now it's gone. Now TP1 is definitely hit. So now you definitely gotta make it risk free. So that's our first checkpoint, because that's level 1 rise. So now I hit the level 1 rise. Level 1 it hit, so it took off, hit level 1. It's gonna come back just a little bit, scare you, not hit your TP, or not hit your stop loss, and then it's gonna do another level 2 rise. All the way up here, level 2 rise, come back down, trap New York, and then you want to decide what they want to do, whether they want to continue going up or down. But we not gonna worry about it because we already got our money off it. While everybody else is trying to get their money. So that's exactly what they're gonna do. You'll see. It'll follow that same pattern. Level 1 rise, pull back. Level 2 rise, pull back. Consolidation and go. I expect them to actually hit up here and probably drop again. But we catch the first 2 pushes, so we're good on GN. Things out of here. But remember, guys, go back to your training, all right? Follow that level. It's what it's doing every day. Level 1 rise. Or, sorry, level 1 consolidation down here. Level 1 rise. Got level 2 consolidation, which you got it right here. All right, and then it's going to go ahead and come up. Level 2. It's going to consolidate. Come all the way up here. And then consolidate. And then drop again. And then do it all over again and again and again and again and again. That's all it's going to do. Every day. You just gotta watch it. But we're good on that. NZD CAD looks good as well. NZD CAD is looking good, looking good. Alright, let's go back to these. Make sure I got these indices. Gold for the takeoff. And then for the bounce out. Look at that. It's terrible. Try to get 2 more plays, and I think we'll be all right. We got NZD CAD. Took some money. We broke even. Y'all break even on EG, right? Let me know. Y'all broke even on EG at least. At least EG. Let me see. I mean, I was only 6 pips. All right, good. It was only 6 pips, so only 6 pip stop loss. I fell back to sleep. Nah, I don't sleep on. I'll sleep on London trades. No. I'll learn my lesson. Sleeping on London trades. All right, US 30 looks fine. I just want to make sure we're good. I want to make sure they don't take off on us. Same there, France 40. All right, gold. Have to get gold back, so I have to watch it. Have to get that bad boy back. Recover it up on gold. We'll recover before. I'm gonna recover this gold trade. You're gonna see a bunch of gold trades today. We're gonna recover on it, on gold. The loss, it's not too much. It ain't crazy. That's an easy get back. It wasn't that far. We'll catch the real move. Alright, let's check out our GBP pairs one more time. I'm not messing with Euro. GA, no go. Still waiting on GJ to trap those traders. GCAD. G-Chef looks pretty good. GJ. There they go. There they go trapping. They said up. Y'all don't want to sell yet? Alright, we're going to continue buying. Trap y'all. How they do. GN is good to go. Where's free? NZD CAD is looking good. Remember, end of the day. Oh yeah, we should hit this whole deal. Y'all see that OG right there, guys? That's how you want it. And if you see the aqua, you don't want it in front. You want it cutting through the body. That's what I was talking about in the notes. So you want it cutting through that body, not below the candle. You don't want one candle only cutting through. You want it to cut through both candle bodies. That's how you want to leave with it. That's how you do it. So you see how that works? Now you leave with the equilibrium. So now you see it. That's how you want it. That's how you want to get it. You don't want this. This is what y'all marking up right here. Y'all throwing me this, and you got the aqua right in the way. We don't need that. We want this. Cut it through the bodies. So that way when they leave, we leave with it. Nothing else that, yo, nothing else. Euro USD spitting out something. I've been trying to learn this pair though, but it ain't letting me. It's terrible. I learned GJ though. I've been looking at GJ. I've been practicing GJ. I've been spanking GJ. That's Keith's pair. Keith be smacking GJ. I used to hate it. I couldn't stand it, man. Now that I see the rhythm, I'm like, okay, GJ. Can't wait for you to. I can't wait for you to form. Paying me out. All right, let's set up two more for New York. So we'll do AUD USD. I know we already know GJ's gonna move at 9. Oh, AJ, that's right, AJ. AUD USD. We'll check that out in a minute. AJ, same deal. Let them form New York session. Let them trap. See if they're gonna pen him up here. GN is moving. All right, cool. All right, AUD USD. Let's check it out. Wow, GN, that's what I'm talking about. Payday. Y'all see that push on GN? That's that push. That's what I'm talking about. All right, AUD USD. What are you doing? Trying to complete the higher time frame BTS. Let's see what you give us. All right, looks like you're gonna complete it. It's in the middle of a Delhi MES. It's in the middle of it. Really consolidated though. Really consolidated. Just make sure you mark that high though. Whoever trades AUD USD, mark that high. Make sure you mark that high if you're trading it. Pin that high. Cause they're gonna come back. Let's say they're gonna come back up here. Yeah, they'll probably come back up here. These volatility bands are opened up pretty good. Setting up for something good. Setting up for a good, probably. Yeah, setting up for something pretty good. Yeah, nothing on this yet. Yeah, just keep marking them. You'll get them. You're gonna be, trust me, you're gonna be thankful that you are doing the vectors right now. Because in March, that's all you're gonna see. You're gonna see the same play on GN, the same play. You're gonna wake up in the morning. Ain't gonna need me, nobody else. You're gonna see the same play over and over again every single day. March through October, all day. You're gonna see vector after vector after vector. Vector is the fast magnitude push, or the fake out in that direction. The fake out in the direction. It's just gonna over and over and over. Vectoring down every single day. It's gonna be too easy. It's gonna be easy money. I mean, it's my favorite signature trade because I think it's the easiest. Because I find it hilarious that traders get trapped. Because I was one of these traders down here, thinking it was gonna sell, and it took off and never come back. Trade with no stop loss. Trade with no stop loss. What they did here, they come up here, and all these traders say, "Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and sell," and they're selling, they're pushing, and then they put their stop losses like right up here, like right there. They put their stop loss right there, and then when they see it pulling back, they say, "Oh, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lift my stop loss." So they lift the stop loss. And the market makers just keep on going. Because they know who's in margin trouble. They already know who's in margin trouble, so why not take them out? So if everybody's doing that, why not just take them out? Take all the swing traders, keep on going, and then go ahead and just kill all the buyers. Yep, and it does. So the second leg, we don't want it to take out. We don't want the first leg taken out. We don't want it to be taken out because it solidifies our entry. But it can. That just means it's going to go in that direction, or it's going to consolidate and give you that move consolidate. If it takes it out, it just means that they just went a lower. That's all. They went a little lower. A little lower than we wanted, but they take it out. I'm just cautious on it. I just, hey, they take it out. I'm not going there. Make sure they're taking it out coming out of the A range though, not just you see the legs. Make sure they're taking it out coming out of the A range, or coming out of that day, or out of that day. Because some of y'all have the legs and they're like another whole other day. So look to see they did that day. It's all about what happened that day. Sometimes you gotta trade in the now. Like what's this? 15, 14. So this is what some of y'all do here, which is fine. Still, it's the weekly. So you have, this is the 14th, and then this is the 15th, and a lot of you guys do that. You're watching these days. You're looking at first leg, second leg on the days, which is fine because that's the week. But you want to watch for the day. Yep, but yeah, it can go lower or consolidate. But if it does that, it just goes lower or consolidate. That's all it does. Yeah, we care about the days are straight. I mean, you guys have seen it for the week, which is a plus. Need that. All right, what we have? Anything? Let's see. Let's see what UJs give us. Play some US pairs. Anything on UJ? UJ for the kills and a no trade zone though. But let's see what it does. See if the risk to reward is worth it. It's only 2 minutes since it open, which is a plus. 3-hour trade. Looks like it'll push. 30-minute has a nice true shift. Pips, that's it. Let's see. Block consolidation. I'm gonna pass on you, Jay. Actually, hold on. Yup, 15. Yeah, 15 only. If you want to take UJ, go for it. I'm not gonna take this one, but it's a good. If you like UJ, it's a good setup. I just don't like the rejections up here. I like where it can go though, and the fact that we got news in a little bit. I don't want to get consolidated and hung in this thing, cause they're hanging in major pairs with the FOMC coming. They're hanging these USD majors. They're hanging major pairs, like GU's hanging around. Like GU should have been gone. And then USD CAD's hanging around. got USD Chef hanging around. They're all just hanging around. AUD USD's hanging around. They're just static. They're just static right now. Yeah, hanging you. I see Eric. Hanging you. Yeah, it's hanging you. So it's hanging, man. They're holding. They're holding. I like this up, and they're baiting. They're baiting good. They almost got me. They almost got me. Creating this sauce until I measured how far this rejection is only 9 pips. That's not worth it. Not on the intraday time frame. We want this move. On intraday, we want that move. It could go that way, but it's hanging right now. Like, this thing should have been beyond the A range by now. So we're gonna. I'm gonna wait on UJ. I'm waiting for UJ. Yeah, be careful on the major pairs right now. They're static. Come back to them around like, well, it's a kill zone now, so it's a kill zone now. I like this. It's baiting me though. I ain't gonna lie, it's baiting me. I like it a lot because I can see where it goes, and they might take us there because of FOMC. You know what? We got 3 hours being profit, right? We got till New York session being profit, right? We got rules, and I like it. As long as it passes beyond the A range, we're good. It's 10, 17, 43. See the 4 hour looks like. Yeah, we could be alright. Looks pretty good to me. See what GJ and EJ are doing. Hold on. EJ. They're still consolidating in that either. Let's find out. Let's find out why they're consolidating. Hold on. Let's see why they're consolidating. Let's measure this A range. Let's see why they hung you, Neon. Let's find out. No, they only went like 15 pips. Yeah, it's too much consolidation. I'm passing. Passing on UJ. AUD USD I'm passing on. I'm just gonna have to wait. You Chef. Nope. But yeah, I mean you in there, you good though. You just gotta wait it out. You just gotta wait it out, man. They're gonna hang you for a little bit. Well, that's all I got this morning. So I have more. Hope y'all enjoyed GN. Got some money off GN. GN and Entity Cat are good. It tapped me in. I don't know if it tapped y'all in. It tapped me in though. Maybe my spread probably. Probably because my spread was crazy on one of my brokers. Still got time. Let it sit there. Still gonna push for a minute. Yeah, definitely. Risk free. When they start hanging you, just make it. I always make it risk free. Like, there's times that gold will hang me, and I'm like, you know what? Let me just put it risk free. Not look at this thing. So power 50 is done on this thing. Gold gonna drop. Gold is going to drop again. Yep. It's going to drop again. We'll see what's up with it. We'll see what's up with it. All right, so we can go ahead and since we already on GN and we taking some money off it, let's do it again. Let's take some more. Let's hold it. We can hold this trade today. Nothing wrong with that. We can take GN 1 hour. So we already took it. We're good to go on GN. Stay in this trade. We can hit a 2% on there. Be a little longer of a trade. We have some room. We have some room. Let's see. Let's see. This is a longer stop loss, so make sure you use proper risk. It's going to be intraday. All right, 62 to get 120. It's going to be a little longer of a trade, a little longer of a setup. All right, first TP is going to be about 50 pips. That's going to be the first intraday TP. So 2.04641. Last TP is going to be the 120 mark. If we get up there. Our early stop loss if we need it. If you want to maximize those or minimize that loss, you could probably minimize about 5. Let's see, hold on. Cut it in half actually. If you need an early exit, and just good job, Bahar's online at 2.03876. Good job, Bahar's online there. If it closes over that line, you can minimize your loss and get, you know, an exit trade. It's an early exit over there. some of y'all that don't like to try to hold the trades too much. 50 pip stop loss could be a lot for some people, I get it, but it's intraday time frame. But if you need an early exit, you can cut that in half. If it closes over, the body closes over that line on your chart, you can exit. But right now, this thing is saying buy me, so I'm gonna buy it. So I'm about to enter a GN. I'm gonna let it rock and let it take me. Let GN do what it do. Alright guys, that's all I have then. That's all I have so far. Looks like GJ is creating that they're creating that leg. Looks like it. Pin them both. Let's see what they do. That new reversal. That new look at that dirt. Let's see that divergence. See that divergence? Nope, don't have it there, not yet. Still good to go. Yeah, it's still good to go. If you see this TDI on GJ or AJ, AJ's already doing it. AJ is already doing it. They're doing too much. We're just gonna stick with GJ. That's because AUD runs with gold. That's the only kicker. It's the only kicker. Runs with gold. So when gold's doing some crazy things, AUD is gonna do some crazy things. When you see this TDI dip, hit this true shift, that's your cue. That's your cue. Start looking for that move. Because you want to see this solidified. So you want these, the 5 and 13, you want them to cross. You got first leg, second leg. When you see price dips down here, that's your cue that it's getting ready to rock and roll. So watch out for that green line past the yellow line, market baseline. So if you see that happening, we got no shifts in here, so it looks good. We got no shifts in here. Looking real good. First leg, second leg. It already pushed pretty high. Pretty good. It's an uptrend for sure, but right now they're exhausting and they're hitting that. Let's see something. Yep. This is the highest point of the week, I think. Hold on. 13th was Monday, right? 13th is Monday. Yeah, it's the highest point of the week too. So you get ready for that mid reverse. They already set that leg, so they set it up. So they're gonna give us first leg, second leg, and then drop. Yep. It looks like. Play what you see though. Play what you see. When you see the TDI dip below that market baseline, that's your cue. At least on the 15-minute. Look at the 15-minute. You see a dip, bam, take it. I'm gonna try. I don't want to put a sell stop on it because I don't want it to wick us and then take off. So you want to actually let it solidify its movement and take its entry on that. GN is good to go. NZD CAD Looking good. We still have a whole half a day. You got 3 candles. So you got 10 hours left. 10 and a half hours. 10 hours and 40 minutes. A little more than that. Candle 1, candle 2, candle 3 got to be down here somewhere or in profit. Below that entry. 8 hours. Check the 8 hour out. Oh, snap. Okay. Hold on. We might be in this for a little while. Hold on. Let's check this out. Hold on, y'all. We might be able to swing this till Friday. So, not even, it's 24 hours. So, tonight, let this close. And then you have until Thursday to be in profit. Yeah, so all right, 8 hour lets us stay in. So let this close today, and then you have until, let's say, Wednesday. Let this close tonight. Oh, sorry. Let this close in 2 hours. Let this close in 2 hours, and then we have until tomorrow to be in profit. So we have until tomorrow, about this time, to be in profit. It's a 24-hour trade. So in 2 hours, check it out. Check it out. I'm thinking about who on here? So everybody pretty much part of EMAs over here. What y'all think about anybody swing trade? Does anybody swing trade? I know some people said they did. So I might like try to program some things that are swing trade into sauce candles, like a sauce candle swing trade. So some of you guys like the swing trade hold trades because you guys are busy. I don't know. Let's see what y'all. I'm gonna put in the chat and see what y'all think. Swing trading some of these pairs for 24 hours. Usually 24 hours. Hold it for a day. Some of y'all do that. Some of y'all do that anyway. But in 2 hours, we could hold on to that. This would be a nice trade. But right now we're looking good, so we're gonna keep it that way. 238, and then. Yeah, so when this candle closes on the 4 hour, go back to the 8 hour on NZD CAD. If it's looking good still, then go ahead. I mean, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna hit it again, and I'm gonna hold it until tomorrow. This time. And go from there. But I'm gonna see y'all later today. We're gonna do some A-range trades. We might be able to actively get in some because there's gonna be a lot of news for China for the yen. So that whole area is gonna have a lot of news today. Got some red folders, so they should push us today. So we're gonna probably play some active trades if I'm around. I might be at the hospital, who knows? But I'm just patiently waiting. We're just chilling. Baby didn't come yet. Just hanging out. First leg, yeah. Solidified. Yeah, that's straight. Definitely. I mean, all the sauce are the same. You just this time frame. That's all it is. Every sauce is the same. Just time frame. How long you're holding. That's all it is. That's the only difference. But I'm thinking about it. I'll put it out there. See what everybody think. I won't script it if nobody gonna really take them. I don't want to waste it. You know what I'm saying? So if we did, it'll be the 8 hour, it'll be 24 hour period. So 3 candle rule, 24 hours. If you're not in profit, you exit the trade. Easy way to hold trades. Alright, so you guys got Vibe. You can follow Vibe too. Follow it as well. GN actually called it, so bam. Looks like it did. So follow Vibe. There you go. On GN. There you go. Bam. Stay in the trade till it tells you to get out. Yeah, it's only for y'all anyway, so yeah. It's only for y'all. The only people that know what they're doing. They don't know what it is. They don't take the trade. So yeah, follow it. There you go. Boom. In the trade already. Starting in profit. Let it take you. We should get at least 50 pips out of this time frame. At least 50. Should get at least 50 pips. That should take you for a good day. Yeah, at least 50 pips. That first TP is 50 pips, so we should get at least that. Just that. Alright guys, you guys enjoy the day. You guys enjoy the day. I might hop on for NDC games. Yesterday was a little doozy. We were good and then it took us for a loop and then we got it back. It's all good though. I might just try to call some good trades. NDC games been kind of weak lately. I'm gonna have to wait till March to actually go full in on them. When they give us some trend, right now they're just choppy, real choppy. We caught a little bit of the runner, and then we caught the real big one when we hit the nice little 1,000 point mark. I'll see y'all. Keep on working. It'll pay off. Literally, it'll pay off. Some of y'all gonna be funded 50Ks, 100Ks real soon, sooner than you think. After just learning something for 3 months, if that, a little less than that. So some of y'all be funded really faster than you think. Get that capital, get that equity so you can trade. But I'll see y'all tonight for sure for the A range. Other than that, don't give the market back your money. Make sure you take good setups. Don't just trade because you want to make 5%, 2%. Take the good setups. And then, yeah, like this is a good setup, you know. Don't take those bad setups.
Is that 8 p.m. tonight?
Yeah, 8 p.m. Yep, 8 p.m.
Okay, cool.
8 p.m. Yep. So I'm gonna call this 8-hour trade on NZD CAD. I'm gonna call this one out. So when you see NZD CAD, it's gonna come out in the intraday. It's gonna come out intraday. I'm gonna label it. I'm gonna label it real good for you guys so you guys will know what it is. But if I see this, looks like it's going to. When I see it close, then I'm gonna call it because this thing is looking good. This is a good 24. I will hold this to tomorrow. This time, all day. So yeah. NZD CAD might be the go-to. It's a good drop. Let's see how long that is. That's 80 pips on NZD CAD, man. Keith, you said you took AUD JPY for 200? Dang, 200 pips? Jeez, hold on. 200 pips, you said?
Yeah, I was in there with multiple entries.
Oh yeah, damn.
Smacked away. Yeah, I was smacking. I sent you the picture.
Yeah, I seen that. Oh my god.
Yeah, I think what you just called NZD CAD?
Yeah.
I think on a 4-hour it looks strong that way too.
Yeah. Yeah, on NZD CAD, yeah, we
on the 1 hour it is.
Yeah.
And hold on, let me look at the 4-hour.
Yeah, y'all looking good. Yeah, y'all looking good. They all set up pretty good.
I think the 4 hours smacking in the same direction.
Yeah, if this thing pulls back on the 15, hey, hit it again. If this thing throw you sauce again with 15 or a shift, hit it again.
Yeah, it looks strong.
Yeah, we pull back and it shifts, hit this thing again, all the way down. Yeah, it's good. It's actually pretty good. I'm holding on strong to it. That's an 80 pip move though, so that's lovely. On NZD CAD, so I can't be mad about it. All right, guys, y'all guys have a good day. I'll see you guys. Watch out for some trades. I'm gonna send you guys some. I got some time today, so we're gonna see what they produce in the New York session. We in the kill zone now, so we'll give another hour and a half, and then I'm gonna come back and see what they got for us, especially on gold, and then also on GU, GJ. Hopefully, GJ don't give it to us too early. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like they're not going to yet, so that's a plus. I would like to catch this. Mid reversal. This will be a nice reversal coming down. So that's a 70 pip move, easy. And that could be one long candle too. One long candle, 70 pips. So we're gonna catch this thing. Sometimes you gotta watch your pairs, right? Like a hawk. Y'all enjoy the day. I'ma holla.